students. Last session we discussed about how British they implemented by different policy and what was the characters or what was the factors they implemented by different types of policy. This only we discussed in last session. Okay, in this class we are discussing about other factors, what were the service or systems British they implemented in India. These matters we discussing in this class. Okay, in that first one we are discussing about the judicial system. Before that we want to know when British they arrived to India after they did battle against Indian dynasty. For example, Battle of Plassey and Battle of Buxar. After the Battle of Buxar, you all are knowing, British government they took Diwani rights over all Bengal. Who is given Diwani rights to British government? This also we discussed in first lesson. Shah Alam. Mughal Empire Shah Alam he given Diwani rights to British East India Company. Afterwards, what is that one British Diwani rights? We also knowing that one, the collection of land tax. This power given Shah Alam second to British government. Okay, afterwards Robert Clive he came. He also implemented by one of the new policy. That policy is dual government. Okay, what is that one dual government? This also we discussed in first lesson. They implemented two types of government, that only we are calling as a dual government. One is the collection of land tax. The power, the collection of land tax, who took care means British government or British East India Company. Other powers, for example, justice and other administrative powers means civil service. These are the matters who took the responsibility or power in Indian dynasty means local kings or local rulers. In beginning, these are the matters we are discussing. In beginning, when British they arrived, in that time what are the matters going on or what are the matters did. Okay, after they captured some of the part of India, afterwards they reformed some of the judicial system. Okay, this only we are discussing in this class. Okay, first of all, they took power the collection of land tax, but afterwards they thought that why we want to give the powers to Indian citizens, because in first session we discussed about the Cornwallis he given definition about Indians. All the Hindustan are corrupt. So they given only lowest post for them. So now once again, why we want to give justice and other power to Indian citizens or Indian peoples? That also we only can take no responsibility. So in that time, they reformed some of the judicial sector. Okay, what is the reformation they took in this time? That only we are discussing. Okay, in that based is one of the new person. He took power in India, governor as a post of Governor General. That person name is Warren Hastings. Okay, when he came as a Governor General in 1772, he implemented by two court in India. Two different types of court in India, and he said that each district also have two courts. Okay, which are that one courts? First one is Diwani Adalat means civil court. Second one a Fauzdar Adalat means criminal court. Okay, in that court, if any one person he did any mistakes based on civil court, Hindu person if he did any mistakes, the judicial or who are judge in that particular court, he giving judgment as a Hindu rules and regulations. That only are given name as a Hindu scriptures. Same in civil court, any Islam person means Muslim person, if he did any mistake, how they given punishment means based on Islam rules and regulations. That one they given name as a Shariat. Based on Shariat, they given punishment. Okay, next another court also they established First one is we already discussed about civil code. Okay, second one, here they give a name as a Fauzdar Adalat. Here, in Fauzdar Adalat, if any one person, if he did any mistake, he is a Muslim or is a Hindu, if he did any mistake, they given punishment based on Shariat. What the Shariat is saying, in that based only they given a punishment. Okay, in beginning they given power to local rulers, means in that Fauzdar Adalat they give a responsibility to Qazis. They only giving punishment for who they did mistake in that person or that people's for, they only given punishment. But afterwards, in that court also, who took responsibility or who that one maintained afterwards means Europeans. So these like first they given the justice power to Indians, but afterwards they slowly one by one powers they took by British East India Company. Okay, next in that based only next another one system also they implemented. That system name is police system. Okay, in this system implemented by Lord Cornwallis. Okay, he said that each district also want to have stations. Who took or who is took leadership in that station means they give a name as a Kotwalas. Not only this one, each village also have stations, means they want to implement the station. In that village, who want to took responsibility in that particular village station means they give a name as a Chowkidars. Not only this one, he created by one of the new post. That post name is SP, Superintendent of Police. Why he implemented these are the police system? Because of to implement law and order, means to maintain a peace in overall India, or which are the places they captured East India Company. In that place they want to maintain law and order. Not only this one, they want to maintain peace. So in this purpose they implemented by police system. But later in 1770 the police system also became as a corrupt. Because of the drought, police system also become as a corrupt. So British East India Company once again they reformed by police system. Till that time the police system controlled by SP, Superintendent of Police, is controlled by station. Not only station, he controlled by in local level, village level also what they implemented. In that Chowkidar also, means in that village station also they control. But when the police system also become as a corrupt, they implemented by one of the new post, that is magistrate post. Okay, if in that based the police system means police department, they came under the control of magistrate. If any person they want to change the post or they want to give any suggestions or they want to conduct appointment orders, who is took a responsibility means magistrate, he took a responsibility. Next afterwards in 1902 after once again they did police reformation in police system. What they in civil service, what the Lord Cornwallis implemented by examinations, in that examinations also he implemented in police system. If any one person they want to become a police officer, you want to get a education and you want to become a qualified person. Otherwise they did not give a police job. Once again, who got here more opportunity in police system is once again British only. Here Indians did not get the job in higher post. Because of, I already said, Lord Cornwallis he given a statement. In that based Indians they did not get the job. Okay, afterwards they reformed another one sector. That sector name is military system. Okay, British government, they administrative system in another reformation they did. That reformation is military system. In that based, we already knowing there are so many enemies created against British East India Company because they captured by some of the part is a criminal ways. Not only in internal, external also so many of enemies they created. Means have enemies against British East India Company. So control of these enemies they implemented by one of the new system. That system name is military system. Okay, in that military system they given job opportunity to Indians. But here also once again they did not give any high post. One of the highest post who is got Indians means which are the place post they got means highest post is only Subedar. Not only this one, so many of people they become in military system in only as a soldier. That only they give a name as a coolie. And they not given any facility for Indian soldiers. So 1857 the soldiers means military who are becoming soldiers in British East India Company, they all are did struggle against British East India Company. After one of the new commissioner committee they emerged in India, that committee named Pillay. When the Pillay given some of the suggestions, after once again the military system is reformed. Till that time in military system who is nominated means only British East India Company or British officials. Okay, these are the important matters about judicial system. Next one military system and another one is police system. Next class we discuss about next another important concept. Okay, thank you, bye.